What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the text messages not sending issue in hyperos. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to fix the issue, and after releasing your finger your phone will be restarted. Now after restarting, if you're still facing the issue, then check your network. So if you're getting 3 or less than 3 bars of signals, then your network is poor, so move to area where you can get good network signals. And after getting good network signals, the messages issue will be fixed. But somehow if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is tap and hold on the messages app. Tap on this information icon and then go to its storage. Now clear this cache memory. So to clear it, tap on clear data and then select cache memory and then tap on OK to confirm. And after clearing the cache memory of messages app, the text messages not sending issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the text messages not sending issue in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.